Nestled in the Deccan Plateau of Maharashtra, India, lies the unassuming town of Lonar. This quaint town, with its serene landscapes and rich cultural heritage, might seem like just another dot on the map. It is a place of quiet beauty and ancient history. The town's streets whisper tales of bygone eras, and its buildings stand as silent sentinels to centuries of human endeavor. But Lonar holds a secret, a spectacular feature that sets it apart from any other town on Earth. Hidden just beyond its borders is a marvel of both nature and cosmic history. This secret lies just beyond its borders, in the form of a magnificent bowl-shaped lake. This is Lonar Lake, a place where the Earth bears witness to a celestial impact from millennia past. This is Lonar Lake, a place where the Earth bears witness to a celestial impact from millennia past. The lake's unique shape and composition tell a story of cosmic violence and geological wonder. Lonar Lake is no ordinary body of water. Its alkaline and saline waters are home to a variety of unique flora and fauna, making it a natural laboratory for scientists and a haven for nature enthusiasts. It was born from a cataclysmic event, a meteor crashing into our planet. This event, which occurred nearly 50,000 years ago, left an indelible mark on the Earth's surface. Nearly 50,000 years ago, a fiery meteor screamed across the sky. It was a moment of unimaginable force and energy. As the meteor hurtled towards the Earth at incredible speeds, it slammed into the Earth with unimaginable force, forever altering the landscape. The impact created a massive crater, reshaping the terrain and giving birth to what we now know as Lonar Lake. This impact created the crater that now holds the serene waters of Lonar Lake. Today, the lake stands as a testament to the powerful forces of nature and the mysteries of the cosmos, inviting all who visit to ponder the wonders of our universe.
The impact crater, a testament to the power of the cosmos, stretches across 2 kilometers in diameter. Its rim rises above the surrounding landscape, a silent guardian of the lake it cradles. Looking down at the lake from the crater's edge, one sees an almost perfect circle, a deep blue eye staring back at the sky.
Lonar Lake plunges to depths of 137 meters, holding within its embrace a unique and fascinating ecosystem. The lake's waters possess a secret, a chemical composition unlike any other. It is both saline and alkaline, a rare combination. This unusual chemistry is a direct result of the meteor impact, a lasting reminder of the event that shaped this landscape.
Despite the harsh conditions, life thrives within and around Lonar Lake. The crater walls, once barren rock, are now teeming with diverse flora. Lush vegetation blankets the slopes, creating a green haven for countless creatures. The lake itself is a sanctuary for a variety of aquatic life.
Above the water's surface, the air is alive with the sights and sounds of numerous bird species. Flocks of graceful birds, their feathers a riot of color, call Lonar Lake home. From majestic birds of prey to tiny flitting songbirds, the skies above the lake are a symphony of life. On the ground, reptiles bask in the warmth of the sun, while mammals, large and small, navigate the undergrowth.
Lonar Lake is not just a natural wonder, but a place steeped in history and spirituality. This unique lake, formed by a meteor impact, has been a focal point for pilgrims and historians alike. Its serene waters and surrounding landscape hold a deep significance for those who visit. Scattered around the lake's rim and within the crater itself, one finds the ruins of ancient temples. These structures, though weathered by time, stand as silent sentinels to a rich and vibrant past. Each stone, each carving, tells a story of devotion and architectural brilliance. These weathered stones whisper tales of bygone eras, a testament to the enduring power of faith and human ingenuity. The intricate carvings and the sheer scale of these ruins speak volumes about the people who built them and the gods they worshipped.
The most prominent of these structures is the Daitya Sudan Temple. This temple, with its grand architecture and detailed carvings, stands as a beacon of the region's historical and spiritual heritage. Dedicated to Vishnu, the Hindu god of preservation, this temple is a magnificent example of early Hindu architecture. Its walls are adorned with intricate carvings that depict various deities and mythological scenes, showcasing the artistic prowess of its creators. Legends abound surrounding the lake and its temples. These stories, passed down through generations, add a layer of mystique and wonder to the already enchanting landscape. Local folklore speaks of a demon king, Lonasur, who terrorized the region. According to the tales, the demon's reign of terror was brought to an end by a powerful deity, whose divine intervention created the crater and the lake. It is said that a powerful deity vanquished the demon, creating the crater and the lake. This mythological event is deeply ingrained in the local culture and continues to be a source of fascination for visitors. Whether rooted in myth or reality, These stories add a layer of mystique to Lonar's allure. The lake and its surroundings are not just a testament to natural beauty, but also to the rich tapestry of history and legend that defines this remarkable place. Lonar Lake's unique ecosystem with its saline alkaline waters is a subject of ongoing scientific research. This ancient lake, formed by a meteor impact, has intrigued scientists for decades. Its waters, rich in minerals, create a challenging environment where only the most resilient forms of life can thrive. Scientists are captivated by the lake's ability to support life in such extreme conditions. They conduct extensive studies, collecting samples and analyzing the unique chemical composition of the water. These studies not only help us understand the lake's ecosystem, but also offer insights into the potential for life on other planets with similar harsh conditions. This research sheds light on the resilience of nature and the potential for life in even the harshest environments. The microorganisms and plant life found here have adapted in remarkable ways, showcasing the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. Furthermore, Lonar Lake has earned international recognition for its ecological significance. The lake's unique characteristics and the ongoing research have put it on the global map as a site of immense scientific interest. In 2020, it was designated as a Ramsar site. This prestigious designation is given to wetlands of international importance, highlighting the need for their conservation and sustainable use. This designation acknowledges the lake's importance as a wetland of international importance, further bolstering conservation efforts. It brings attention to the need for preserving such unique ecosystems, ensuring they remain protected for future generations. Recognizing the ecological importance of Lonar Lake, the Indian government designated the area as Lonar Wildlife Sanctuary in 1985. This move was crucial in safeguarding the lake and its surrounding habitats from potential threats. This sanctuary encompasses not just the lake itself, but also the surrounding forests and grasslands. These areas are home to a variety of species, each playing a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance. The sanctuary serves as a vital refuge for a diverse array of flora and fauna. From rare plant species to unique animal life, the sanctuary provides a safe haven where these species can thrive without the threat of habitat destruction. Within its protected boundaries, endangered species find a safe haven from habitat loss and human encroachment. Conservation efforts here are crucial in ensuring that these species do not face extinction, allowing them to continue to be a part of our planet's rich biodiversity. Reaching Lonar is relatively easy. The nearest airport is Aurangabad Airport, which is well connected to major cities in India. From Aurangabad, Lonar is a scenic drive of approximately 140 kilometers. Accommodation options in Lonar range from budget-friendly guest houses to comfortable hotels, catering to diverse budgets. Local guides are available to enhance your experience. They can provide insights into the lake's history, biodiversity, and geological significance. For those seeking a unique travel experience, a journey to Lonar Lake promises breathtaking views and a glimpse into India's natural and cultural heritage. The best time to visit is during the cooler months from October to March. The weather during this period is pleasant for exploring the crater rim and the surrounding forests. Lonar Lake stands as a testament to the awe-inspiring forces that have shaped our planet. It is a place where science and spirituality intertwine, where the echoes of a celestial impact resonate through time. Whether you are drawn to its unique geology, its vibrant biodiversity, or its ancient legends, Lonar Lake promises an unforgettable experience. As you stand on the crater's edge, gazing out at the tranquil waters, take a moment to appreciate the delicate balance of life that exists in this extraordinary place. Remember that Lonar Lake is not just a destination, but a precious reminder of the power of nature, the importance of conservation, and the enduring legacy of our planet's tumultuous past.